In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to knit rows 1, 2, 3 in square 37 barnacles. After pre-threading your beads, you will need to cast on 45 stitches or pick up stitches from the square below. The first row is a next row wrong side, which I've already worked. So I'm now going to begin with row 1 right side, which begins with knit 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, and then we're at the beginning of the bracketed information, which begins with YON, yarn over needle. So you keep the yarn held at the front of the work as you knit the next stitch, and that there is your yarn over needle. Then it's yarn forward and round needle, purl 1, purl 3 together, and then purl 1. And that's repeated 6 times. So yarn over needle, knit 1, yarn forward and round needle, purl 1, purl 3 together, purl 1. Right at the end there, just beware it's a purl 2 together rather than purl 3 together. Okay, so that's the first row completed. So then we move on to row 2, and row 2 is a beaded row. So we are purling 1, placing a bead on a wrong side row, so that's yarn back between the needles, slip the next stitch purlwise, then bring the yarn back round towards you so you can then purl 5 stitches. So on this row you're working into the yarn overs, which were created by the yarn over needle and the yarn forward and round needle. Okay, so that's row 2 completed with the beads, and as you can see the beads sit in the middle of these little clusters of stitches. So moving on to row 3, the instruction begins with knit 1, knit 2 together. I'm just keeping that bead pressed a little bit forward there so it stays round at the front of the work. Yarn forward, keeping it there as you knit 3, and then yarn forward, slip 1 purlwise. This is all keeping the yarn held at the front. Now to knit the next 2 together, I normally just loosen that stitch because it's a little bit tight. Then pass the slip stitch over, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, and then repeating again, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, And what's really crucial is that when you are asked to bring the yarn forward, I'm now at the beginning of the bracket again, it's really, really important that you keep it there as you slip one, you knit two together and you pass the slip stitch over. So just once again, slip one purlwise, keep the yarn at the front as you knit two together and pass slip stitch over, yarn forward again, knit three, yarn forward, and just at the end there you're knitting one, pass slip stitch over and ending with knit one, and then your knitting will look like this after you've completed rows 1 to 3. Row 4 is a purl row, and then you're repeating rows 1 to 4 in rows 5 to 8, but the pattern has moved over, which offsets the pattern. So you'll be knitting the same stitches, same abbreviations as rows 1 to 4, just in a slightly different sequence.